So technique for elbow hyperextension. So we're going to start by using 5 centimetre EAB because it's elasticated and we're wrapping around a muscle belly and will therefore allow contraction and also dilation should the tissue swell. So we're going to wrap this around sort of mid wrist flexors and wrist extensors. No tension through the tape. As an anchor point, and we're also going to anchor it above the joint over mid bicep. Just here. Our next tape needs 5 centimetre zinc oxide tape, and we want to establish whereabouts the patient feels pain or where we want to limit the joint to. So we're going to imagine that our patient has pain at end range extension. So we want to put the joint in a position of slight flexion, and that's where we can tape it into. So we're using rigid tape, 5 centimetre zinc oxide tape, and we're going to be creating a fan over our 2 anchor points here. So start distally, add our tension, and then stick on towards our proximal anchor. And just be careful that we can maintain that position of slight flexion. Next strip will be starting more medially and then crossing over towards the top here. And then I'm going to put another strip starting laterally and travelling up medially. Okay. So you can see we've got a really good fan here that's crossing over the anterior elbow and will be offering support for elbow hyperextension. Now to close this off, we're going to go back towards our 5 centimetre EAB, and we're going to angle it around so we can run it over our distal anchor points. Then we're going to follow that fan coming up. So pinch the tape, follow the fan up towards our proximal anchor point, and then wrap it around biceps, over it again to close off at the top. And then we're going to pull it down so all the zinc oxide's covered and closed off, and it shouldn't hopefully become detached. Right, to further close off those last strips, I'm going to use a 25mm zinc oxide tape, just ensuring we're free of any tension. That's going to close off our final strip of EAB, and I'm going to close at the top. Just to reduce the likelihood of that EAB becoming unstuck.